Sure, here's the content with the specified elements. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Mastering the bicycle crunch can be your ticket to a stronger core and sculpted ABS. This exercise is not just about the movements, but about precision and technique. Here are some essential tips for success. Focus on form. Maintain proper form throughout each rep. Keep your lower back pressed against the floor and engage your core muscles as you lift your shoulders off the ground. Slow and controlled movements. Avoid rushing through the exercise. The key to effective bicycle crunches lies in the controlled twist and contraction of your abdominal muscles. Breathe correctly. Exhale as you crunch and twist your torso, and inhale as you return to the starting position. Proper breathing enhances your performance and helps you maintain rhythm. Engage your entire core, while the focus is on your abdominal muscles. Remember to engage your obliques as you twist from side to side. This holistic engagement maximizes the benefits of the exercise. Gradual progression. Start with a manageable number of repetitions and sets, then gradually increase as your strength and endurance improve. Quality repetitions are more effective than quantity. Combined with a balanced workout, incorporate bicycle crunches into a comprehensive core workout routine that includes exercises targeting different abdominal muscles for balanced development. By integrating these tips into your routine, you'll not only perform bicycle crunches effectively, but also enhance your overall core strength and stability. Consistency and dedication will be your allies on the path to achieving your fitness goals.